All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium 5.0 convertible. It is called the blackout package. So all the rims are black, all the emblems are black. Super nice. Only 15,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. And this rear driver's rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check. That's right, a little bit under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Here's your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. So that one is a powered seat. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Let me jump into this vehicle. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got your Navi system. Boom. Climate control, heated seats, heated and cooling seats. Pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage of 15,898. Vehicle looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Now back here you do have your little covers. Boom. Trunk lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare. There's no spare tire here. Let's find the spare tire. I do have your owner's manual tucked away over here. No spare tire. We'll have to figure out where that boy is. If I have one, I'll show. I'll put one in. All right, guys. Otherwise, right now we have no spare tire. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is tire thread here is under 430 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim. Let's have some curbing here. See 3, 6, about 7 inches right there. Tire thread here is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Vehicle looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the 5.0 premium package with 15,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.